yet they are not the people who operated their personal accounts.
Yes, hold there. Janet, you are a first-class honor student from Masinde Muliro University. What was pushing you? Why didn't you interrogate further about this program?
What was pushing me is I was searching for my career. My target was to be a very powerful research scientist in this world. I wanted to go to Canada because I know it is a first world country where they have sophisticated machines where you can work in the field of biotechnology in a very smart manner to assist my country, Kenya. But now they are failing my dreams. They are killing the dreams I had. They are really killing the dreams I had by taking the money of what the parents paid and taking our lives for granted. You can just imagine graduating, struggling for 4 years in university with all the problems we passed through the university, targeting for our dreams. But now it is the leaders who are shutting down the dreams we had for our future. It's so unfortunate to the leaders in Uasin Gishu County.
Okay, just hold it. We are sorry about that. Mercy, we have really seen you in media talking passionately about